Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another makeup tutorial. Well, don't mind my hair, I just washed my hair. So I already did one eye and my brows off camera. So let's get into the tutorial. You already know I use Juvia's Place Concealer number 12 to prime my eyes. So next I'm taking this eyeshadow palette called Beauty Glaze. I'm gonna take this eyeshadow color. It's like a blush color called Cameo right here. And I'm just gonna pat that on my lid, all over my eyelid. Just gonna pat that. Next, from the same palette, I'm gonna go in with this nude color right here called Beach, and I'm just gonna blend the edges. So I'm gonna pat that. I like this eyeshadow because it just, I think it's the same color as my skin tone, so I'm gonna use that as my transition color. I don't want to do a dramatic look today. I just want to like, oh, I don't want to miss a long ring liner. Let me just flush it. Next, I am going to highlight underneath my brows with this eyeshadow. I use it as a highlighter. I'm gonna use this brown color. Ooh, you see the highlight? This one is my favorite. Since it's gonna be a natural look, I just want something natural. So I'm gonna use this Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation plus concealer and color Caramel, and I'm just gonna highlight underneath my eye. I'm gonna use this foundation called Revlon Color Stay Foundation. Y'all already know this is one of my favorites foundation. Tap this just a little bit. I just want everything to look really simple, not too much. I don't really need a full coverage today. This foundation says full coverage. I just want to have makeup on. Now I'm going to set my under eye in my forehead with this Baristi banana. I think it's the same with the benign banana powder, but this one called Baristi. I'm not sure how to say this name. See. I'm not gonna use the contour cream today. I'm gonna use this. So where's my contour palette? It's so crazy how I'm looking for everything and everything just right in front of me. It's just crazy. I'm looking for my damn contour. Oh, it's right there. Okay, so I'm taking my contour palette, pat it, tap, 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 and tap up here, a little bit down, up here. Y'all already know this is my favorite, of course. I always use this Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder in number 330. I'm going to add some blush. I don't know why I buy yellow lip gloss. It's just like when I go to a store, it's just makeup in general. I had to get makeup. Ooh, it looks too yellow. I'm not gonna put too much though. I think this is enough. Yeah. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. Ooh, girl. So right now, to finish up the look, I'm going in with this NYX matte finish spray. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys like it. If you do, please subscribe and leave me a big thumbs up. And comment down below and let me know what you think about this look. Alright, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.